this is the other elevator at the doctor's office building.
This one is the other building, which has 3 floors instead of 2 floors.
Yeah.
Okay, so as we're waiting, we'll dance.
Going up.
We're gonna go up and then down. Okay. All right, of course, another ThyssenKrupp Dover Impulse. Actually, all of these are Dover Impulses. All 4 of them. All very much the same.
What if there's a secret 5th elevator?
Wow, maybe, but I don't know where to look, do you? Check the phone. Where do we look for a secret elevator? Thank you. Go up to 3, back to 2. Okay, so you put yourself in the corner for some reason?
I'll just...
We're feeling very silly today.
Do you want me to eat too?
Okay.
Give me some of that bone.
Go down to 2.
Does that scare you? How much?
Get right there. Let me get a thumbnail. Not in front of the buttons. You're silly. Okay. So this one's in pretty good shape. It's a little shaky though. If you see that?
Yeah.
You see it shaking?
You're filming with your phone.
Mm-hmm.
How can you read Braille?
Well, you learn how to read it if you're blind.
Well, you know how to read it if you're blind.
Ready?
Bye.